Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today we're going to make a scalloped top loaded pocket. But first, let's have our shout out to Laura, Nancy, Ethel, Susan, Joyce, Margaret, Debbie, Brittany, and Julie. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, go ahead and get no, we don't want to start with that one. We want to start with this one, a piece of scrap paper that is cardstock. And this is cut to, let's go this way. This is cut to about 7 inches by 3.5. And I have gently folded it this way, gently. I didn't crease it, I just gently folded it, the edges together. And I took my scissors and I worked till I got some scallop design that I like, and I really, really liked this one. So this is now my template that I'm going to use to make my beautiful pocket. So I'm going to get my pencil, pencil, I was going to say pen, I had to go pencil, okay, anyway. We're going to use that template and just draw around, and then I'm just going to mark a line there where I want to put my thumbnail. I'm going to get my scissors and I am going to trim around my scallop that I made, just like this. Just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my eraser, and I'm just going to gently erase any of the pencil mark that was left, and I'm going to put my thumbnail, is that a thumbnail? Thumb punch, that's not a thumbnail. Oh boy, my words are just going wacky today. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ink up all the way around, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got that all inked up. Now I'm going to fold this 2 inches up. So I am actually going to just gently mark it here, and I'm going to bring in my ruler, and I'm just going to score it just a little bit, just to help me fold it a little easier. So here we go. There. Path of least resistance. There we go. Now, I'm going to take my bone folder and just get it nice right like that. Now, what I'd like to do is decorate this a little bit. I have a few things that I have here that I could decorate this with. I'm not sure what I would like. Let's see, I don't know if you can see what I have here. I have some mushrooms, I have a butterfly, I have some labels. I love my labels. Absolutely adore my labels. Kind of liking that. And this actually says special delivery. No, I want a smaller butterfly, I think. I've got some little things to stick inside that I made earlier, and it's kind of on the pink spectrum. So I think what I'd like to do is find me a pink butterfly. All right, I found a beautiful pink butterfly, but I think what I'm going to do is go sew this around the edge. All right, I've got it all sewn around the edge, and now I have also inked up my little tidbits here. So I think what I'd like to do is, I really don't want to cover up this beautiful faux stamp. So I'm thinking maybe something like this, possibly. So that means this is going to go down first. what's really nice about making this is that you have a template now that you just can put in your stash, that when you want to make another one of these, they'll always turn out beautiful just the way you want them, because you have put together a template. Well, this is not going well. Okay, now we're going to put it over there. You've made yourself a template, so then you always have your base, and I really like that. You don't have to go to any of that trouble again. It's just right at your fingertips. Now we're going to need some kind of bling with this butterfly. All right, I want to use some gold right here on its body. So I'm going to lay down a little glue and get my little pin and lift it off the page using my pen, just like that. Maybe 2 is all we need. So let me lift this up so you can see. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? This is definitely needing some more glue here. Okay, so I have put together some tags to go in here, and all I did with this one, it's a book page, and I backed it with some coffee dyed paper, and I put a tab on it, and so it will fit right down in here like this. It's supposed to be down in. Okay, and then there's this one. I'm hoping this fits. If not, I'll have to trim it a little bit. No, it's going to go. And then I made this one. Oh my goodness, you guys. The bling is on my finger. Okay, the bling got on my finger. There we go. Now we've got this one, and we'll put it over here to this side. And I've got this one. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? And you've got your base that you have made, so you have a template that you can keep. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.